welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cecilia Jaco, and I'm back with another wig review. This unit is from Aliexpress and is their 12-inch lace closure bob. Now this hair, I actually received this hair, I want to say maybe like 2 months ago. I know, I received it 2 months ago. I have not done anything on my channel in a while, I know. COVID, guys, COVID. Okay, anyways, so I received this hair 2 months ago and I really didn't have to do much to it. Well, I didn't do much to it. It came pre-plucked. This color is 1BJ99, which is like a wine color, which I thought was really cute. For the holiday season. I don't know, I think it's cute. I think it's cute for like any type of season, but I wanted something a little bit different. So yeah, so the hair from Aliexpress, the hair is Sophie's lace front on Aliexpress. This hair, I would honestly give it like I would give it an 8 out of 10, honestly. It's a lace closure, so it's not like all the way around. It's $52, which I don't think is bad at all. It's human hair. You can curl this hair, straighten it, flat iron it. I didn't do any of that. I literally just washed it and then I blow dried it and kind of just bump it like this with the blow dryer. Took about 5 days to get to me. You know, Aliexpress, with the whole COVID and everything, I feel like shipping time has delayed so much, but it was still fairly quick. I didn't do much to this hair. I didn't even like flat iron this hair. What I did was I put it on, like I said, it was already pre-plucked. I put it on, I put some concealer on there, and then I kind of just like, I have a blow dryer slash brush all in one, and I kind of just blow dried it and flip the ends. I don't know, I think it's cute. You guys know how like the whole flip ends are in right now. I wanted to share this brush with you guys. This is from Signature Tools. I got this brush from Target, and honestly it's one of the best purchases I've made in a long time. It's actually, well, it was $80, but I think I got it on sale for like $50. This hair is soft. I love the texture of it. I love, it's really convenient, it's easy to put on. It's a lace closure, so you can glue it on or you can just stick it on like that. I do have it glued down. I did put a little bit of concealer on there, and I think the hair looks super good. My only complaint is that I don't like how it's, I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like it could have blended more, like an ombre type of blend. Like, you can tell where the 1B starts and where it ends, and I don't like that. It's too blunt. Like, I wish it would just like blend seamlessly more into the hair. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Yeah. But otherwise, this is a really good wig for only $50, and they do also have all black. Maybe next time if I order from them again, I would do like an all black one, since I want like a more seamless color. But I just thought like the ombre was fun. But yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. You guys please subscribe, comment, like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.